So today we're going to go over the least expensive home in Frisco and the most expensive home in Frisco. So come with me today. We're going to check out these two awesome houses. So the first house today is at 8583 Preston Trace Boulevard. As you can see, it's a one-story home. It's a brick home. And if you were looking for an entry home into the Frisco market, or an investor wants an investment property, you can't get any cheaper than this. It's $315,000, and let's go take a look. So the house was built in 1974, and it's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and we're looking at the galley kitchen here. It has tile flooring. The rest of the house is either carpet or laminate. As you can see, it needs a little TLC, but you know what? You can paint those cabinets, change out the countertops. Anything you do to this house will enhance the value of it. And as you can see, the dining room and the den are right off of the kitchen, and that's where the carpet starts. So again, this is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home that could be totally cleaned up and made into a great lease home. Or again, if you're just moving and you want to be out of an apartment, this would be a great transition into a home that would build your equity. And last but not least, the full bath has a tub shower for you. And now on to the most expensive home in Frisco right now, and it's located at 6267 Sweeney Trail in Starwood in Frisco. Starwood is a guarded gated community. This home was built in 2005 and renovated about a year and a half ago. It has 9,078 square feet, is on 3 stories. It is a 6-bedroom, 7.5 bath. And it's listed currently at $3,999,000. Including this absolutely beautiful renovated pool is also a splash pad that they just included. This English Tudor has been renovated throughout, and it is amazing. It's what you'd expect in a $4 million house. Check out this weight room. Are you a Mavs fan? Look at this home court. An absolutely gorgeous master suite. Nothing has been forgotten in this house, including this absolutely fantastic kids' playroom. Amazing cathedral ceilings in the main den. And second floor terrace overlooking the green belt behind you. Again, I'm John Wendell with Keller Williams Realty. I hope you like the tours today. If you have any questions on either one of the homes, please let me know. I'm with Keller Williams at 972-841-9065. Hope you have a fantastic week.